All right, so in this video, we're gonna look at Instacart, guys. I'm very excited about this IPO. It's one of the best companies that I cover so far, and I cover a lot of IPOs if you've been watching my channel. But I'm really excited about Instacart. And if you want to learn everything about the company and everything about the future IPO, stay tuned. What's going on, you guys and girls? My name is Jose. Welcome back to Rico Suave Investing. If you want to learn about the stock market, investing, and financial freedom, then you came to the right place. So make sure you click the like button and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. So today, like I said, we're going to be looking at Instacart. And I was very excited to do this research because it's a really cool application where you can download it to your phone. You can go online. You can start shopping for all your groceries. And on the other side, a real human living person will go to the grocery store of your choice and pick up your groceries and deliver them to your home. So this is a very cool business idea, business plan. It's worked for them. They have customers all over the world, and we're gonna look into it right now. So stay tuned. A quick shout out to my patrons. Your generosity and contributions allow me to do what I love to do and keep the channel growing. So thank you so much. If you like my content and want to see more of it, please consider supporting me on Patron. I've got 3 different tiers full of benefits like portfolio updates, private Discord channels, and a one-on-one phone call. You can also become a channel member by clicking on that join button and signing up to receive cool badges, perks, and more. And if you don't want to do any of that, guys, then just click that like button and subscribe. This is just a quick click for you, but it keeps the channel alive by letting YouTube know that you guys like my content. All right, so the first thing I want to talk about, guys, is this article from TechCrunch that talks about Instacart raises $200 million more at a $17.7 billion valuation. This is just a couple of days ago. Instacart announced today that it has raised $200 million in a new funding round featuring prior investors. Instacart is now worth $17.7 billion post-money or $17.5 billion pre-money. The plan is to use the funding to focus on introducing new features and tools to improve the customer experience. Instacart, like some other tech-enabled business, has seen the demand for its services expand during the pandemic. It's not hard to trace a connection between the pandemic and its business results, as folks wanting to stay at home have turned to on-demand services to keep them safe. You can stay at home and order your groceries online and not be exposed to everything that's happening out there in the world. Then you're probably gonna do that. All right, here's a 30-second video from the Instacart YouTube channel that explains what their services is all about.
Everybody needs fresh food. That's why we deliver it to your door. Just shop from any of your favorite stores and we'll do the rest. Browse every product you can imagine. Even that organic, antioxidant, gluten-free, fair trade honey from the farm over the hill. Yeah, that too. Your order is hand-picked by a professional human, unlike the other guys. Enjoy exclusive deals only on Instacart and get your groceries delivered today or whenever you want it. Saving time for the things that matter. Download the app and get your groceries delivered today.
All right, so like you just saw, that's pretty cool. I think that, that kind of service is in demand nowadays more than ever. And they took a little shot there at Amazon and Walmart with their little robot drones, delivering goods. Instacart is actually a person goes to your door and deliver your groceries. And we're gonna watch a video here from the CEO of Instacart that explains a little bit more about his background and why he started the business and where he sees himself taking the business in the future. So let's check that out.
American households spend about 100 hours every single year shopping for groceries. That's time that they could spend with their families, with their friends, doing the things that they love. And Instacart allows them to do the things that they love by making this one task easy for them. All done. Growing up in a small town near Toronto, Canada, I remember having to wait at a bus stop with my mom carrying groceries in the freezing cold. Looking back, a lot of things had changed in the world, but the one thing that everyone had to do every single week, grocery shopping, had remained the same. We wanted to change that. We wanted to make grocery shopping effortless.
To give you all an update on our efforts in Atlanta.
Grocery delivery is not a new idea. It's been tried many times before. Before we started, this small group of people who could get their groceries delivered had to wait till the next day or get them from stores that they didn't want groceries from. We wanted customers to be able to get their groceries from the grocery stores that they have shopped at for generations, and especially get it delivered within 1 hour. All right, guys, so we're gonna do this. When customers order their groceries on Instacart, we dispatch that order to one of our tens of thousands of personal shoppers on the Instacart platform. Avocados, you have to be careful with avocados. I work as an Instacart shopper every single month. It's not just me. Every single person in the company goes shopping because we want to make sure everyone understands what our shoppers do every single day and how our customers feel every single day. Look at the expiration date. These personal shoppers go to that local store of your choice, select that item carefully, just like you would, and bring those groceries to your door. Our logistics systems automatically figure out what the most efficient way to get those groceries to your door is. I love solving really hard problems.
Here we go.
No one has been able to solve grocery delivery at the scale that we're doing today. We deliver in 4,000 cities across North America, delivering from 15,000 locations. There's a lot of things that have to go right so that all those orders go really, really well. That is a very challenging problem. And solving this problem is really exciting to me.
Thank you so much. Yeah, have a great day.
Grocery is the largest retail category in the world. If you think about the logistics system, and less than 5% of it is shopped for online. We believe that in the next 5 years, 1 in 5 customers are going to be shopping for their groceries online.
I think we know we're going to be 2x bigger.
And this year has been a really exciting one because there were so many grocery retailers who have finally realized that e-commerce is going to become more and more part of the way people shop in the future.
It seems like a really good company to me. I will be investing in this one for sure. But of course, make sure you do your own research. Don't do what I do, but I'm looking forward to this IPO. Now, Instacart currently has partnerships with other major chains, including Kroger's, Sam's Clubs, Publix, Albertsons, and Walmart Canada. The company does not publicly disclose its revenue or whether it's profitable because, again, it's a private company at the moment. But I'm going to leave a link in the description below to this article if you want to learn more. One additional issue that Instacart is able to offer is that it carries exclusive coupons on its service that gets to act as part of the daily deals that become popular in the recent years. So they also offer coupons inside their application. Their growth has been very impressive. The company now claims to have service coverage area of over 85% of the US households and is now in all 50 states. Yes, Instacart. All right, guys, because the company is still public, right? All I was able to find is their funding history, okay? So I was lucky to find this investingport.com, which shows the entire funding history of Instacart since 2013. And I'm gonna leave this up on the screen if you want to take a screenshot. But in 2013, they raised $12 million, 24 million, October 2.2, and so forth, all the way down to June 20th, where they raised $100 million. So this company continues to raise capital from investors, and having 33 venture capital investors out there behind this company. They want to see it succeed. We like the service, we want to use it. As they grow subscriptions and users, the company will continue to grow this revenue, and investors will get their money back. However, guys, Instacart is not yet listed on the stock market as of August 2020. So I'm sorry to disappoint you guys, but I'm going to be keeping an eye on it. Of course, if you subscribe to my channel, you're going to learn about their IPO right away whenever they become public, whenever they file the S1. I will leave it on the comments. I'm going to pin a comment to the top talking about their ticker symbol, their IPO value and a price per share and all that good stuff. Now, what do you think the ticker symbols should be? All right, guys, and that's all we know right now as far as the Instacart IPO. We don't know what the day is going to be or when they plan to IPO, but because you watch this video, you know everything you need to know about the company. So you should be able to make a decision when the time comes to IPO. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. This is one that I'm going to be watching very closely. I like the CEO a lot, man. I don't know why, but he seems like a very honest person, very nice dude. And I just want to be down with the company. So I'm going to be buying a few shares. But hey, if you want to keep track of what I buy, of course, you can go down to my Patron and support the channel. And I'll show you screenshots of everything I buy, everything I sell every single week. So I'm very transparent. And this is the best place to learn about IPOs. All right, so with that being said, guys, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, more important than that, make sure you take care of yourselves. And I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, Rico solves the mind.
I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever known, y'all. I think you'll go your house, your money, and leave you broke, son.